Good morning, students. This is Milind Shande, Assistant Professor in English at GS College of Commerce, Varda. Today we are going to discuss the syllabus prescribed by Dr. Sant Tukaji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Nagpur for semester 1 in the subject Supplementary English. For your kind information, I should tell you that the university had changed the syllabus from this year only, especially of Supplementary English and Compulsory English become part 1, that is semester 1. So we'll see the entire syllabus step by step or gradually. The prescribed text is English and Soft Skills by S.P. Darwell, and the publication house is, or the publisher is Orient Black Swan. Now they have made some tremendous changes this year syllabus, because you see on the blackboard I have written some skills which are called soft skills as prescribed in the book. The first skill is listening skills, and there is one story associated with that particular skill, and the title of the story is The Boy Who Broke the Bank. And this wonderfully written story is written by the world famous author Ruskin Bond. Now we'll move to the next story. Second skill is teamwork skill. Definitely this tells us how to work collectively, taking responsibility. So this skill is linked with another story. The title of the story, this story is Whitewashing the Fence, and this Whitewashing the Fence story is written by world famous, internationally acclaimed or famous author Mark Twain. Now we will move to the third story. It is about emotional intelligence. It is about emotional intelligence skills, and the skill is told to the students through the story My Financial Career. And this story My Financial Career is written by Stephen Leacock. Now we'll move to the next story, and in this story we get the skill, that is assertive skills. So this is linked with the story The Verger, and this story is written by Somerset Maugham. And finally, there is the last skill, that is learning skills. It means how we learn, what we learn, and how should we learn the things. And the story that tells us about this particular skill, that is learning skills, is 3 questions. And this wonderful story, 3 questions, is written by Russian author Leo Tolstoy. So this is the syllabus which has been prescribed by our university, that is Dr. Sant Tukaji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Nagpur, for semester 1 Supplementary English subject. After this, we'll see the paper pattern and marks allotted on each of the questions. Now see, in total there will be 6 questions. There will be LAQs, SAQs. Here LAQs means long answer question, and SAQ means short answer question. And SAQ means short answer question. So far as this long answer question is concerned, the answer is expected to be written in about 150 words, and so far as this short answer question is concerned, the answer is expected to be written in about 75 words. Now see, let's see this paper pattern in detail. There will be VSAQs also. VSAQs means very short answer questions, and the answers are expected to be written in one or two sentences only, or in one or two lines only. So, first of all, we'll see question number 1. This question number 1 comprises of BSAQs, that is very short answer questions, any 5 out of 8 based on stories. So this question number 1 is about VSAQs, that is any 5 out of 8 on stories. The stories about which I just told you a moment ago, and this section will be for in total 15 marks. Will be for 15 marks. Now we move to the second question. This second question will be about SAQs. SAQs means again short answer questions. SAQs. And any 3 questions are to be solved again out of 5 based on short stories. Any 3 out of 5. Again, this particular section of questions will be based on the short stories. On stories. 3 into 5 in total. This question will also be for 15 marks. Then we move to the next question, that is question number 3. This is somewhat different question, and it's about discuss the situation given in the activity section with each soft skill. It means while describing you, while explaining you the syllabus, while telling you about the syllabus required for become first semester supplementary English, I told about some skills, that is soft skills, and each of the skills is linked or associated with the given stories. So this question is based on those skills. See the question will be like this. Discuss the situation given in the activity section with each soft skill. Here you have to attempt any 2 out of 4. It means in total 4 questions will be given and you have to answer only any 2 of those 4. Any 2 out of 4. And each question will carry 5 marks. It means on 2 questions or yes, on 2 questions there will be in total 10 marks. So this question is for this question is for 10 marks. Now we'll see question number 4. Again, this question is based on soft skills at workplace. And this question is also for, this question is for 15 marks, and it is based on soft skills. The answer is expected to be written in 100 words only. So this question is like this. Workplace. Soft skills based on the text. In 100 words. In 100 words. and here you have to write any 3 out of 5. Means in total 5 will be given and you have to attempt only any 3. Any 3 out of 5. And again this question is for 15 marks. Now we'll see question number 5. This is on real life experiences related to the prescribed skills mentioned in the text, and as I told you that this is LAQ and the answer is expected to be written in 150 words, in about 150 words. Here you have to attempt any 2 out of given 4. So this question is for 10 marks, means each question carries here 5 marks. So this is the question based on real life experiences given in the syllabus itself. Real life experience related to the prescribed skills mentioned in the text. In about 150 words. You have to attempt any 2 out of 4. It means 2 into 5 is equal to 10 marks. So these are the first 5 questions, and one last question is there, question number 6. We'll see this question number 6 also. Now this question number 6 will be based on the proverbs which are there, which are a part of your syllabus. You have to attempt any 3 out of 5. It means 5 proverbs will be given and you have to explain any 3 out of those 5. See question number 6. Explain any 3 out of 5 proverbs related to the prescribed soft skills. Given in the text. In about 75 to 100 each. And this question number 6, carries 15 marks. So this is the syllabus and this is the paper pattern. I repeat it once again for you. Question number 1 consists of very short answer questions. Any 5 out of 8. It will be based on the stories, and this entire question will be for 15 marks. Question number 2, it will be SAQ. It means short answer question. Here you have to attempt any 3 out of given 5, Again, this will be based on the short stories, those 5 stories. Again, 15 marks. Question number 3 will be on kind of situation. This is the situation given in the activity. I have written it here. You can see it on the blackboard. This question will also for 10 marks. Then there will be question number 4. It will be based on the soft skills which are required at the workplace. And this question, again, this question will be for 15 marks. Then there is question number 5, which is based on the real life experiences. Definitely, the entire section or all this pattern is based on the syllabus prescribed to you by Rashtrapati Guruji Maharaj Nagpur University, Nagpur. Okay, and the last question, that is question number 6. It will be related to proverbs. It is also the part of his syllabus, so that you will see this paper pattern, and I have already explained you the syllabus. Thank you. After this, we will see the stories.